In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Google Chrome automatically opens when starting your PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate to your keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you'll be able to open a small window called Run. You can also navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Run, and that way you'll be able to open this one. So here, please type for shell colon startup. It is SHELL colon startup STRTUP and click on the OK button here. And the moment you've clicked on it, you will be able to be navigated to this kind of window where here you'll be able to see the Google Chrome application. Now, the reason why you face an error where your Google Chrome automatically starts when the moment you will open your computer or PC is that you have added it here at the startup. So it is very important if you would like to fix the problem, just have to select it, make a right click, and click on the delete icon to delete it. So once you have ensured that it has been removed here at the startup. You can now close the window and the moment you will restart your computer, you can no longer open your Google Chrome automatically here in your Windows 11. In that way, you have fixed the problem. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.